Welcome at forextrading.com. Today is 2nd February. Right now it's 4 minutes after 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We got 5 minutes after European stock opening. So looking at the S&P contracts at 4-hour chart, we have a situation when the buyers were so strong that they came in one wave, one simple wave. It's very rare to see market moving vertical to the downside and then the same move vertical to the upside. Plus, very rare to see it breaks out with strong strong support resistance with one single move. So right now we are talking about very strong buyers, and market didn't go to the downside even a little bit. So we can see possible continuation of this move to the upside. Of course, it would be very healthy for the market to move back to the downside a little bit, and we see this beautiful shadow in those situations when the buyers come to the market again. So I would be more comfortable if the market will go a little bit deeper and take back reverse to the upside. So that's how it's probably gonna be, or market will start moving rapidly, aggressively to the upside. Currencies we see they move like S&P and other indices. So we are talking about strong upside movement. I'm not the biggest fan of this kind of correlation, because if the indices will start to go more deep to the ground, we will see some correction at currencies as well. So be prepared, maybe not to enter both instruments very much correlated like those two here. Let's take a look at 30-minute chart. We see right now at euro dollar a little flag which might be continuing strongly to the upside. Of course, for me it would be more comfortable to market go down a little bit and then reverse again, like I told about S&P contracts. That might be a simple situation to possible enter to the market. Right now, for me, this pattern is not too strong to enter the market long here or here, because I can't see this as possibility to enter the market, even though I know the probability of the upside move is much more bigger than any breath right now. But we'll see how the market will stabilize after market opening. It's only 7 minutes after European stocks have been opened. So the same situation we've seen at pound yesterday. This pattern flag continuation will tell us mostly that market will gonna move higher and higher. So that's what happened here. But you see a market move for about 30-40 pips and then came down a little bit. I like those the moves where when they are very strong, like here. This kind of move I like, and those are for me not so particularly interesting. So I'm looking for the market to behave strongly, or behave with the trend for some longer time when it's pretty much sure. Looking at the gold, very interesting possibility of head and shoulders pattern. I'm telling on my courses that this pattern is nothing like telling us that we had a fake breakout and then market stabilizing at the higher level and don't want to go through to the downside again. So we might see some kind of breakout to the upside, then we will come back to the big growing trend. You see this dome, this beautiful big dome seen at daily chart doesn't have to go to the downside to follow through with this move. Really, we have the big growing trend here, so we are talking about strong uptrend, and that's what we might see here. So breakout from this pattern, from this situation, might be interesting to the upside. I would be cautious with going short right now if the market will break to this lower level. So right now at this point, look what happened. We got sellers coming in, and right now at this those support resistance, market feels comfortable. So we are talking about buyers and sellers with the same strength. This rectangle here. So there is no real strong sellers at the market right now. So we are talking about the possibility of buyers can take over the market right now, and if they come into the market strong and there are no sellers, the move will be fast and rapid. So I'd like to look forward to see it. Please also be cautious because if the market move for the first time, it might be a fake breakout, it might be coming back to this comfortable zone, but still it might be moving to the upside in the future move. So that would be it for now. Thank you very much for listening. Hope to see you some more video daily analysis which are coming out each day. Thank you very much.